Hello students, welcome back to your digital learning platform and I am your Abhishek sir, and today we are going to learn a poem that is A Boy and His Dog, written by Edgar Albert Guest, and I have taken up this poem from class 6 book Skylark. Okay, so right now let's get into the poem. Before starting the poem, let me tell you the theme of this poem. It is very important. The theme of this poem is friendship, bonding and obedience. ये तीन जो टॉपिक है, फ्रेंडशिप है, बॉन्डिंग है, ओबीडियंस है, ये हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इस पोएम में, ठीक है। और इस पोएम में दो कैरेक्टर है, एक तो एक अननेम्ड बॉय है, अननेम्ड बॉय जिस बॉय का नाम नहीं दिया गया है, और सेकेंड ही इज पेट डॉग. So total two characters are there in this poem. One is an unnamed boy and second his pet. And this poem uplifts the relationship between the boy and his dog. See, that's why the title of this poem is A Boy and His Dog. See, a boy and his dog make a glorious pair. So the very first line gives us a sense of positivity. The very first line gives us a sense of positivity, that a boy and his dog make a pair. How is the pair? Glorious pair. No better friendship is found anywhere. So the poet is assuring us that a boy and a dog together make a glorious pair, and this kind of pair, this kind of friendship cannot be seen anywhere in the world. क्यों एक बॉय और एक डॉग जो है एक ग्लोरियस पेयर बनाता है, क्यों और कैसे? फॉर दे टॉक, they walk and they run and they play, because both of them talk together, talk with each other, both of them walk together, both of them run together, and both of them play together. That's why the poet has said that a boy and his pet dog make a glorious pair, and this is such a kind of friendship that cannot be seen anywhere. And they have their deep secrets for many a day. देखना, ये हम लोग करते हैं कि हम लोग पेट डॉग से बात करते हैं. We know it very well that we would not get any reply from him or her, still we share our secrets with them. So, and they have deep secrets for many a day. That means the boy knows a lot of secret of his dog. On the other hand, the dog knows a lot of secret of the boy. Okay. And that boy has a comrade who thinks and who feels. Comrade means friend. And who is the comrade here? The dog. And the boy has a good friend, has a good companion, that is the dog, who can think for him and who can feel for him, who walks down the road with dog at his heels. So, and wherever the boy goes, his dog always goes with him at his heels. Okay, so the very first stanza tells us about the glorious pair of the boy and his dog, and the poet has told us that both of them together make a glorious pair. Why? Because they talk with each other, they walk together, they run together, they play together, and both of them know each other's secret, but none of them would reveal it to anyone. And especially the boy has a comrade who thinks and feels for the boy, and wherever the boy goes, the dog always goes with him at his heel. So this is the first stanza. Now let's move to the second one. He may go where he will and his dog will be there. So wherever the boy goes, the dog does not think about it. The dog always follow its master. May revel in mud and his dog will not care. देखना कि मान लो कि तुम देख रहे हो कि तुम्हारा कोई दोस्त, या फिर हम इंसान ऐसा करते हैं कि कोई अगर गिर गया ओके मड पे, तो हम लोग दो बार सोचेंगे कि मैं वहाँ पे जाऊँगा. मान लो कि मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ तो मैं वहाँ पे उतरूँगा उसे बचाने के लिए? नहीं उतरूँगा. लेकिन एक डॉग जो है, he never worries, he never thinks where his master is. If his master jumps into the mud, the dog follows him there also. The dog never thinks twice to save his master and to go wherever his master goes. Faithful he will stay for the slightest command. Okay, that means if the master of the dog gives him the slightest command, अगर थोड़ा सा भी command दे दे, तो वो डॉग जो है वो उसे फॉलो करेगा. एंड द डॉग इज डेफिनेटली वेरी फेथफुल एंड बार्क विथ डिलाइट एट द टच ऑफ हिज हैंड. एंड वेन एवर द मास्टर touches the dog barks, not out of irritation, not out of anger, rather out of delight, out of happiness. That, and because at that time the dog thinks that my master is patting me, my master is making love on me. So the dog feels very satisfied, the dog feels very filled, and that's why the dog barks, because barking is the only language that dogs have, right? Oh, he owns a treasure which nobody steals. यहाँ पे he मतलब कौन? यहाँ पे he मतलब master, और we can say the boy, okay? और treasure कौन है यहाँ पे? The dog. तो यहाँ पे ये बोले पोएट कि oh, he owns a treasure which nobody steals. That means the boy has a treasure that no one can steal, जो कोई चोरी नहीं कर सकता है. Who walks down the road with a dog at his heel. ओके, यहाँ पे हु मतलब कौन? यहाँ पे हु मतलब मास्टर. और जब वो मास्टर जब भी कहीं जाता है, वो डॉग जो है, वो डॉग हमेशा उसके मास्टर के साथ जाता है. Okay, so what have we got in the second stanza? The second stanza tells us that a dog never thinks twice to go wherever his master goes. If his master gets into the puddle, a dog just goes there. If his master goes to somewhere else, or that the dog does not have any idea about the place, then also the dog follows his master, and the dog is always ready to obey his master's slightest command, and the dog feels very satisfied whenever his master touches him. And once again, the poet has said that actually the boy has a treasure, that is the dog, that no one can steal from the boy, and the boy or the master also feels very satisfied because whenever and wherever he goes, his dog always gives him company. Clear? Now थर्ड स्टैंजा, नो अदर कैन ल्योर हिम अवे फ्रॉम हिज साइड. यानी कि एक डॉग को तुम ग्रीड नहीं दे सकते हो. देखो, एक डॉग अगर तुम्हें प्यार करेगा तो तुम्हारा जैसा हालत है, तुम्हारा जैसा कंडीशन है, उसी कंडीशन में वो प्यार करेगा. वो ये कभी नहीं करेगा चलो भाई मेरा मास्टर तो गरीब है, उसके पास फटा हुआ कपड़ा है तो मैं उसे प्यार नहीं करूँगा. नो, डॉग्स नेवर सी दैट. डॉग्स ओनली वांट लव, एंड डॉग्स give us love back. Okay, so no other can lure him away from his side. He is proof against riches and station and pride. That means dogs never love us seeing our riches and our pride, our position in the society. Fine dress does not charm him. कि अच्छा ड्रेस पहना हूं मैं तो वो डॉग मुझे प्यार करेगा, ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता है. एंड फ्लैटरीज ब्रीथ मतलब कि अप्रिशिएट करना, कि होता है ना कभी कभी कि तुम किसी को अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हो तो वो तुम्हारा बात मान लेगा. तो डॉग का भी सेम केस है कि उसको तुम जितना अप्रिशिएट करो वो तुम्हारा बात नहीं मानेगा, वो उसी का बात मानेगा जो उसे प्यार करता है. ओके, इज लॉस्ट on the dog for he is faithful to death. That means a dog always stays with his master till his master's last breath or till his last breath. He sees the great soul which the body conceals. यहाँ पे he मतलब dog, okay, and यहाँ पर body मतलब the boy. Why? Because the dog can see the great soul that the master conceals. उसके मास्टर के अंदर जो सोल है, जो ग्रेट सोल है, डॉग उस ग्रेट सोल को देख पाता है. और इसीलिए डॉग इंसानों से प्यार करता है. डॉग कभी इंसान का जो धन संपत्ति है, उनका फ्लैटरिंग जो वर्ड्स है, इंसानों का जो बड़ा मकान है, रिचेस है, उन सब से प्यार नहीं करता है. डॉग हमेशा प्यार करता है इंसानों से. ओके, और लास्ट लाइन में ये बताया जा रहा है कि रियली इट गिव्स अस प्लेजर टू बी यंग with a dog at our heels. Okay, so थर्ड स्टैंजा हम लोग को क्या बता रहे हैं? थर्ड स्टैंजा जो है वो डॉग का क्वालिटी बता रहा है कि डॉग कभी भी रिचेस, वेल्थ, प्राइड, ओके, और मान लो कि एक्सपेंसिव ड्रेसेस, ये सब देख के डॉग कभी प्यार नहीं करता है। डॉग हमेशा प्यार करता है किसे? इंसानों को। और डॉग जो है वो देख सकता है, वो देख पाता है कि उनका जो मास्टर है उस मास्टर के अंदर का जो सोल है। और ये बहुत ही लाइक इट गिव्स अस प्लेजर, इट गिव्स अस अ डिलाइटफुल फीलिंग टू बी यंग विद द डॉग विथ अस। ओके, सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट एक्सप्लेनेशन। फ्रेंडशिप आप लोगों को पता चल गया, द फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन द बॉय एंड अ डॉग, बॉन्डिंग, the strong bonding that basically a boy holds with his dog or a dog holds with his master, and obedience. ये तीन आपका क्या हुआ? थीम है। So I hope you have liked the video, so please like it and share the link with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to press the bell icon so that you would get all the notifications whenever I post a video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ, तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय, सी यू एंड जय हिंद।